I am with you. Even now, even in the silence, I am closer than your breath. You may not feel me, but I feel every part of you. I see the anxiety behind your smile, the tears behind your strength, the heaviness you carry when no one's watching. I've watched you push through days you wanted to give up. I've heard the prayers that never made it past a whisper. And I want you to know, I have not left you, not for a moment. In the hospital room, I was there. In the sleepless nights, I was there. In the betrayal, the breakup, the loss, the moment everything seemed to fall apart, I was still holding you. I am not the God who watches from a distance. I am the God who gets close. I wept at the tomb of my friend. I sat beside the woman at the well. I touched the leper no one else would touch. And I sit beside you now, in the dark room, in the traffic jam, in the early morning when your heart aches for something more. I am not limited to churches or worship songs or mountaintop moments. I am present in the ordinary, the broken, the hidden places. I am Emmanuel, God with you. When you walk through the fire, I walk with you. When you pass through deep waters, I will not let them drown you. You are not forgotten. Even when others don't see your pain, I do. Even when you feel invisible, I see you. I have engraved your name on my hands. I count every hair on your head. I know every story, every scar, every secret. You are fully known and fully loved. You ask me, where were you when it hurt? And I say, I was right there, weeping with you. You ask, why didn't you stop it? And though I may not answer in the way you expect, I promise this: I will redeem every pain. Nothing is wasted. Not one moment, not one heartbreak, not one delay. I'm not only with you in the healing, I'm with you in the breaking. I hold every shattered piece, and I'm already weaving it into something eternal. My presence is your promise. I am not only God on the mountain, I'm God in the valley. When the silence lingers, I am still speaking through peace, through people, through my word, and through stillness. When you are too weak to stand, I carry you. When you cannot pray, I intercede for you. And when you feel furthest from me, often that's when I'm holding you the closest. My child, you don't have to feel strong for me to stay. You don't have to fake a smile or pretend to be okay. Just be real with me. I can handle your doubts. I can sit with your pain. I already bore it all. I am not only your savior, I am your friend. The kind of friend who sits through long nights. The kind of friend who listens without rushing. The kind of friend who walks with you even when everyone else walks away. I see the fear you try to silence. I hear the questions you're afraid to ask, and I whisper again, I am with you. I was with you as a child, when you first heard my name. I was with you in the places you thought were godless. I was with you when you didn't believe in me, and I never stopped believing in you. I have never regretted loving you, not once. And I never will. There is no darkness so deep that my light cannot reach it. There is no valley so low that I cannot enter it with you. I go before you. I walk beside you. I stand behind you. Even if you make your bed in the depths, I will be there. You are not alone. Not in the kitchen. Not in the car. Not in the waiting room. Not in the middle of the night. Not in the thoughts that spiral when no one else understands. I do. I understand. And I am with you. Let me sit with you. You don't have to rush into healing. Just let me be near. Let my peace fill the space anxiety has tried to own. Let my love quiet the voice of shame. Let my truth undo every lie you believed in the dark. You are not abandoned. You are not too far gone. You are mine. I am your shepherd. I lead you gently. I restore your soul. I protect you from what you can't see. I provide what you didn't know you needed. I do not leave halfway. Even if you push me away, I stay. Even if you forget me, I remember you. I am with you when your prayers go unanswered. I am with you when the healing hasn't come. I am with you in the in-between, and I am working even now, behind the scenes, in ways you cannot yet see. You don't have to be afraid of tomorrow. I am already there, and I will never stop. Walking with you, not in this life, and not in the next. So hold on, or if you can't, let me hold you, because I am with you.